Hey guys, if you've been following the channel, you'll know that 8 months ago, I started a sticker shop on Etsy and I've had amazing results. Today, I'm going to be showing you my process on how I make stickers from start to finish. But before I talk about that, I'm going to go a little off topic and talk about NFTs. If I'm being completely honest, I'm not an expert on NFTs or cryptocurrencies at all. All I really know that NFT stands for non-fungible token, and it's pretty much a digital collectible, kind of like a trading card. But one of my favorite entrepreneurs, Gary Vee, seems really excited about the technology, and he thinks it's like the start of a big transformation in the internet. But after watching a bunch of his videos, long story short, I now own an NFT. Look at that. It's a hammerhead shark, and he's hungry. But yeah, it wasn't cheap, and I have slight regrets on getting it, but Gary Vee is one of the reasons I started my side business in the first place, so I figured that I might as well support his project anyways. But yeah, who knows, it might be worth something someday, right? Like, crypto punks are worth millions of dollars right now, so we'll see. But yeah, I thought it'd be cool to turn this NFT into a sticker. So if you're interested in that, let's head to the computer. So the first thing we want to do is get our design onto the computer, and I use Illustrator. So I already set up this file with the shark, and I just added some text here to spice it up a little bit. And what I like to do when I'm making stickers is just separate what I'm printing and what I'm cutting into different layers. So here you can see I already set up the two different layers. This is the layer that I'm printing, and I made a cut line here. So whatever that's red here is not going to be printed. This red line is just where I want the machine to cut the sticker out. So you can see that here. So they're two different layers. See? So what I like about the Silhouette Cameo is that it has a plugin for Illustrator. And you can see here, the first thing you want to do is to add registration marks. So you can see here Silhouette Connect, and then you'll click on registration marks. And these are the settings that I use for the registration marks. I just found that when I use these settings, I get less errors with the machine reading it. So then I'll click apply. And then you'll see here it adds the registration marks for you. So these marks are necessary to tell the Silhouette where to cut these lines. So the next thing I'm going to do is just duplicate this just to fill up the page. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so that's it. So I will turn off the cut layer, and then I will send this to the printer and then to the cutter. So before I print this, I figured I'd show you guys my setup with all the equipment that I use first. So here is the Cameo 4, which is my cutter. And then I have a light attached up here, because a lot of the times when you're trying to print and cut, the Cameo actually has a hard time reading the registration marks sometimes. So having this light shine right where the sensor is really helps with all the registration errors that you might be having when you're trying to print and cut. And I also have this blower back here that I sometimes blow on the sensor when I'm having troubles with registration as well. My printer, which is a Canon TS5320, and it's a pretty basic printer. I'm looking to upgrade it soon, but for now it does the job. And over here I have my Dymo label printer, which is really helpful for printing out address labels. And then down here I have all my supplies and papers. But yeah, if you're interested in any of these machines or the sticker paper that I use, I'll link them down in the description below. So it's really that easy to make stickers. All you really need is a printer, some sticker paper, and a cutter. And you really don't even need a cutter, because if you really wanted to, you could just cut every sticker out by hand with a pair of scissors. And I know a ton of people that start off that way. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested to learn more about my story and how I started making stickers and started selling them and making money from them, I have a bunch of videos in a playlist, and I go through everything from how I came up with the idea and then month by month updates. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave that in the description down below as well. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that cool?